After we caught Vasquez and interrogated him, Command ordered us to attack the cartel's main factory, which was hidden in a place called Zapata Beach. But it may as well have been hell. You never saw a place so hopeless. Cardboard houses, corpses of dogs lying in the streets, desperation and death. You didn't live there so much as try not to die. My unit was providing close air support for a joint operation with local forces. The intel we had was rock solid. And that's the funny thing about intel. It's always rock solid, until it's not.
Downtown units took heavy casualties. All we have left on the ground are 2 Humvees. I recommend immediate extraction of remaining ground units ASAP.
Negative. Hold your position and defend the Humvees until otherwise ordered. What? There's no plan B!
Just keep shooting bad guys, Zara. Hostile incoming!
Like fish in a barrel.
Let's take these tangos to the big dance.
The word you're looking for is stay. Got it.
Which one's the pack leader? We need to pull out now.
Negative. Done it!
Downtown 1, we're taking heavy fire. This is insane. They must have units positioned outside our range. I can't see shit. Wolf 1, we can't hold out much longer.
Wolf 1, find and destroy all hostile artillery.
Copy. Artillery is neutralized. Downtown, get back in those Humvees and go! Try to get somewhere we can extract you.
Got him!
Take that barricade out.
You got it!
I've got armed pickups on the North Road. We'll take him out.
Like fish in a barrel.
downtown 1. Prepare for extract. On it.
That's how we do, suckers! RPG!
Wolf 1's a pack leader. We took an RPG blast in the tail. Wolf 1 is going down. Emergency landing.
Look out!
Strap your brain buckets on. This is gonna be rough. This is gonna hurt. Wolf 1 report. Zara, you okay?
Oh, hell no!
Zara's banged up. I'm fine.
Wolf 2 is inbound to your position, but it'll take some time to get there.
ATA?
2 minutes, but you've got hostiles headed your way. We're sending ducks here! Wolf 1, I'm sending an Apache your way as well.
Hey, Wolf 1! Heard you needed some help kicking ass. Damn right. Here they come.
RPGs, don't let them get into position! Stay on, suckers! Like fish in a barrel.
They're bringing in more men.
Red assholes! There's another wave on the way! So long, suckers!
It's just a scratch.
On the roof! Like fish in a barrel.
For fuck's sake, are they throwing everyone they got at us? Hang tight, kids. We got this. That hurt.
There's too many to hold off!
Die, bitches. Look out! RPG! Red meter! We're hit! Firing up the octave! We're going down! He's gonna crash!
These red assholes! That's how we do, suckers!
These guys are relentless!
Wolf 1, we've got bombers in the air. Paint your targets and they'll do the rest.
You sure on that? I don't want to go down again today.
I'm sure. Use your smart lock system. It'll transfer your targeting coordinates to our crew.
We're standing by to your target. Okay, yeah, that'll work. How many of those you got? Enough to make this place a desert.
Concentrate your fire on the anti-aircraft site.
around here?
Not really.
Wait. Over there, that small structure. That look like a bunker entrance to you?
Could be. What we got on board won't do much, though.
Wolf 1, this is Big Boy. We'll take it from here.
Wolf 1, our bomber's making a run at the target. Get outside the blast radius.